Atulya from class 11th. I am a part of Atul tutorials. Today I am presenting science video for Atulya Science Fair 2024 and my topic is immunity system. Now let's just look what is immunity system. The immunity system is a complex network of organs, cells and proteins that defends the body against infections. Now questions arises in our mind, what does immunity system work? To fight diseases causing germs like bacteria, viruses or fungi and to remove them from the body, to recognize and neutralize the harmful substances from the environment and diseases causing changes in our body such as cancer cells. As we know that in immunity systems there are three parts. They are follow as the innate immunity system is a defense system with which you are born. It protects against all antigens. Adaptive immunity system develops throughout life when we're exposed to diseases or when we're immunized against them with vaccine. Passive immunity system is borrowed from another source and it is a last for a short time. Thank you.